Hey guys, today I want to show you several performance upgrades available for the GP1300R. This video is one of several I will be making showing the upgrades, and this one is covering the install steps of the Worx Racing jet pump scoop grate. Typically a standard factory intake grate is designed to keep debris out of the pump, but allow water to still come through the pump. A scoop grate, like this Worx Racing grate, helps to channel water through the pump more efficiently and helps reduce cavitation. When you remove your old intake grate, if it has been on for quite some time, it is a good idea to heat the bolt heads to make it easier to remove. Although the OEM manual doesn't say it is necessary to put sealant around the bolt holes on the grate, it is highly recommended to keep water from creeping into the ski. You should also coat the mounting bolts with Loctite 572 thread sealer to cut down the corrosion forming on the bolts themselves. I have found in a lot of cases Loctite 572 does just as good of a job as Blue 243, but it prevents corrosion on the threads to help with removal. The sealant I am installing on the grate is Reinzosil, which is similar to Loctite SI5900. You mainly need to seal the bolt holes, but a small bead to seal the grate to the pump shoe is not a bad idea also. Here are the OEM manual pages for reference. If for any reason you may need a copy of them, reach out to me on Facebook and I can send you a copy of them. Once you have the bolts cleaned, bolt holes tapped, sealant applied, and bolts treated, you can finally install the new grate. When installing the intake grate, push it up tight to the pump shoe, run the bolts down evenly and torque them to 7.4 Newton meters with a quality torque wrench. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. I have a lot more videos to come. The most important things to understand about what a scoop grate does is it helps improve hookup and traction, it enhances handling and stability, and it can increase acceleration by reducing cavitation. A scoop grate also improves performance in rough water, and it has potential for increasing top speed by optimizing water flow through the pump, therefore improving efficiency. Now that the grate is all installed, it's time for the final reveal. There's nothing more satisfying than bolting on performance upgrades on your ski and knowing you did it yourself. Give the sealant about a day to cure and get out on the water for the fun part, the lake test. If you enjoyed this video or just found it helpful, please smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel to see more cool videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.